Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can unsend a photo on iPhone 15. So for that you need to open the photo you want to unsend. After that you need to hold it and wait for some time and this will pop up. After that from here you just need to click on unsend and there you go. The photo is unsent, but make sure your photo is not exceeded 1 minute. If it exceeds 1 minute, then unfortunately you cannot unsend the photo. As you can see, these photos has exceeded 1 minute, and as you can see, if I hold it long press, then there is no unsend button. So in order to delete this, you just need to hold it. You just need to hold it once, and from here just click more, and from here just click the delete option. So yeah, that's how you do it. Hope this video is helpful. If it is helpful, then please click the like button.